Sveiki visi, čia Horror Games Guy ir čia mano kitas kanalas. Iš balso, jeigu matėte, galite iš kito kanalo atpažinti, kad Mythmenas esu, iš Myth13Cast kanalo. Aš dabar sukūriau naują kanalą, kur žaisiu siaubo žaidimus, tokius kaip Doomas 3 ir taigi pažaidžiam, tai New Game, pradedam nuo lengvo. Esu žaidęs Doomą labai seniai, kai buvau mažas vaikas. Tiksliau, aš beveik nežaidžiau, žaidė mano tėtis. Aš žiūrėjau, nes man buvo per baisu, man kokie 6 metai buvo. Tai dabar aš manau, pasirengęs pats pažais Doomą. Doomas tai Doom iš lietuvių kalbos tai būtų pasmerktas, nes Doom tai pasmerkti, pasmerktas, pasmerkti, nu kažkas tokio. Tikiuosi, nenori čia žiūrėti visokių raidžių, aš tai nelabai šiaip man. Čia jeigu kas mano pirmas video yra.
Dark Star with you 07063 passing through 38000. Roger, Dark Star, descend to 2000, set speed, contact ground on 2072. Roger that, tower. We have them on radar, sir. They'll be landing in a few moments.
Excellent. See that Counselor Swan is sent directly to me.
Yes, sir. Tower, Dark Star on final.
Gerai, galiu biškį nesąmonių pasakyti, nes bus baisu. Gal, aš nežinau kaip jums, žiūrint, kai žiūri, kaip kitą žaidžia, tai nėra tai baisu, bet kai pat žaidži, tai tikrai baisu. Ir galiu kalbėti visokias nesąmonės, kad tik man nebūtų baisu. Gerai. Kas čia ekranėlis keičiasi šitie. Dėžės. Kaip man ginklus pasiimt? F? Jo. Dabar ginklų neturiu rankos. Old man? Nenoriu manęs matyti, kas čia. Details. Ok. Nenoriu žaist. Su visokiais naujoviškais aparačiukais.
I'm gonna need you to step on one of those red squares on the floor for a bioscan. This will only take a second. Okay, let me get this started. You're gonna need to hold still. Moving around makes the test take longer. All right, bioscan looks good. You're cleared for entry.
Wow. Metalinis robotas. Čia nieko gero nematau. Robokola. Robotinė kola. Norėčiau paragaut. Gerai, liktais čia ateit reikia.
You can just leave your bag there. I'll have it sent up your quarters. Okay, there's a few things we need to take care of first. This is your personal data assistant. You'll need this to access all secure areas. If you get clearance for any security zones, it'll download directly. It's important, so don't lose it. I see here that Sergeant Kelly has
Doomas
requested
senas
your immediate
žaidimas yra.
attention. Head directly to
Todėl
Marine
grafikos
Command.
nelabai
It's
geras.
just that way. Follow the signs.
Aukščiausia grafika 1600. Ne 1900. Gerai. Kaip man tą aparatėlį? Caps locksas, ne, palauk, tabas. Jo. Gerai.
Mars City is a smoke-free
Click to
facility.
scan.
Please smoke only
No
in designated
found
areas.
cards.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Nu, vienintelė. Wow, išgazdinai biškį. Čang.
I'm here because there seems to be some very serious problems.
Oh, really? Do I need to remind you of the groundbreaking work that we're doing here?
No. But I've been authorized by the board to look at everything.
The board authorized you? The board doesn't know the first thing about science. All they want is something to make them more money, some product. Don't worry, they'll get their product.
After how many accidents? Tell me, Dr. Petruger, why are so many workers spooked, complaining, requesting transfers off Mars?
They simply can't handle life here. They're exhausted and overworked. If I had a larger, more competent staff and bigger budget, even these few accidents could have been avoided.
I'm afraid you'll get nothing more until my report is filed with the board. I will need full access, Dr. Petruger, Delta included. I won't have any difficulties doing that, will I?
Only if you get lost, Swan. Just stay out of my way. Amazing things will happen here soon. You just wait.
Amazing things, ja.
Let's go.
Nu, aš atsimenu. Pradės visi zombiais tapt. Amazing thing. Doctor Who. Tulkas. O, šitas jaučiu darė reikalą. Tulkas, gerai. Kas čia? O, pala, kitchen. Can you give me a sandwich, please? No?
Denied allegations today of several reports showing a growing
Oh.
presence on Mars. A spokesperson stated that increased activity is simply a tactical deployment.
Ups, kaip čia?
Miller, you hear about Corporal Allen?
Yeah, they said he just lost it. Shipped home this week.
Another newbie. Welcome to the worst assignment you'll ever have.
Marsas. Open. Oh.
Accidents? That's good. Is that what they're... I'm really trying to get this fixed quickly, so, do you mind?
Gerai, čia likti.
Attention. Dr. Braddock, please report to Environment Management Office 4 Alpha.
Nepalauk, o čia Marina. HQ.
Took your sweet time, Marine? Now, here's the situation. Another member of the science team's gone missing. Since you're the ranking FNG, you get to find him. I want you to check out the old decommissioned comm facility. We heard he might be heading that way. The only way there is through the service passage under Mars City. I programmed this sentry to guide you to the maintenance elevator. Hope you follow the sentry better than you've followed orders so far. Pick up some gear at the security checkpoint at the bottom of the elevator. Oh, and when you find him, just bring him back. Do not hurt him. Now move out.
Bring the scientist back. Okay, kur tas robotas? Nu, davai, nu. Machine guns.
Attention UAC personnel. Interested in earning more credits? Volunteer at Delta Labs today. See your service branch director for more details.
Mars Delta Labs. Tokiuose koridoriuose ir pasiklyst galima.
cares about the quality of life of its employees. Please take advantage of our quality medical care services.
Gerai, aš grįžau beveik visą kelią. Palauk, 2, ne, palauk, 3, 9, velnas, 3, 9, 6, jo, va, kodas. Toks 1. Kas čia? Kaip čia pasilenkti? Gerai. Liftas. Mars City Underground. Marso miesto požemis. Apatinis lygis. Kažkas tokio. Level 1.
Welcome to the dungeon, Marine. Most unexciting place on Mars. I'm gonna need you to grab some armor and secure your pistol before I can pass you through security. Okay,
Well,
grab
open.
your gear.
Oh, the
Now you're
gear.
ready for combat. Let me do a radio test. MarsSec radio check. Excellent. Good signal. Looks like you've been assigned the decommissioned comm facility. Just follow the main passage through the underground junction, then straight out. You'll have a quick evac. And what better way to see the Martian surface than to run across it? Okay, you're all set. Oh yeah, keep in mind, civilians are working down here. Don't get excited and shoot at me.
Don't get excited to shoot them all. Na, turiu planą. Jeigu aš žudysiu civilius dabar, tai po to jie neprisikels kaip zombiai. Bent jau aš taip manau.
Hey, you're looking.
Bla bla bla.
Listen, Scotty, I've done this a million times. It's not that hard.
What? Hey, what the hell's going on up there?
Moby Deer. Tai tas Skotė apačioj. Gerai, kas čia? Pabandom kodą 396. Ne. Gaila. Gerai, varom čia. Oi, man skambina biški. Tuoj 2 sekundės. Gerai, grįžau čia. Pauzės pas mane nėra. Gerai, dabar eiti, tai čia tikriausiai ne. Einam pro čia. Gerai, jis neprisikels kaip zombis. Einam per... Wow. Pasiėmam prožektorių, pasišviečiam kelią. Gerai, nesmai. Dabar liktais į lauką išeisim. Jo, Marsas. Neblogai. Jo, graži vieta tokia. Smėlio audra dabar. Nu, gražu. Na, manau, kad čia... Manau, kad čia pabaigsiu epizodą. Tai dar siaubų baubų nebuvo. Bet kitą epizodą, manau, bus. Susitiksim kitą epizodą. Iki. Ir subscribinkite, jeigu norit. Tikiuosi jums patiko. Ir